How to download Airbnb app. Want to start using the Airbnb app for vacation rentals, but not sure how? Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Airbnb. Note that this video will demonstrate the process on an iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be available in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Airbnb, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab, then type in Airbnb at the top. Tap Airbnb when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm the download. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open to start using Airbnb. That's all it takes to download Airbnb. Want to try out other travel apps? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.